today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, look at this title, think I'm crazy, but hear me out. If you wanna do me one favor, hear me out. Watch this video until the end. This chart is the chart we are going to talk about today. And I wanna talk about why the 275,000 US dollar signal just flashed for Bitcoin, guys. Hear me out. I wanna prove it with facts on the monthly candles. And here I wanna give a very big shout out to my friend and neighbor, Crypto Mo. He actually spotted this. We looked at it together, and this is the most mind-blowing Bitcoin chart I have ever seen. And right now, basically yesterday, the 275,000 US dollar signal for Bitcoin flashed. I will show it to you. I will show you what I'm talking about. I will, of course, talk about my 10 million US dollar trade. Why? Very soon, I might scale it up to a 25 million US dollar trade. Let's talk about that. Let's get ready for this video. It is going to be a very short one, focused on one easy to understand chart, which is telling you exactly what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Of course, quick shout out here to our completely amazing Codename V community, which is completely going viral right now. The biggest and most active crypto community in the world. Links down below. Free tokens for our community members. Obviously, guys, we are here for you. We are getting you sorted. And now let's start about the Bitcoin price. Guys, this is something for the history books. And obviously, for the immediate short term, you remember that I predicted the previous breakout at 62,000 US dollars. I updated you over on Twitter at MMCrypto. And now the question is, what is this chart all about? As you remember, I was talking about this chart here, where we are connecting the wicks on the weekly candles. And right now, finding here resistance, which I told you, I think this time it is going to be broken. However, I still think this time we are going to break it. We are going to break it this time. This is what I truly believe in. Could be wrong. I don't think so though. And there's one chart, actually, if we are going on a higher time frame, as you remember, one of my trading rules is the higher the time frame, the more accurate. The higher the time frame, the more power behind breakouts, the more relevance behind breakouts. And of course, the highest time frame you can use for Bitcoin is the monthly candles. This is the weekly candles, and it is projecting that this breakout is yet to come. What if I told you that if we are going here on the monthly candles, that this breakout already happened? Look at this. This is the monthly candles now for Bitcoin. Connecting the candle closes, which is what you should always do on the monthly candles. Use the candle closes on the monthly candles. If you connect the monthly close in 2011, in 2013, 2017, then you can see, dear ladies and gentlemen, we broke the 11-year trend already. Bitcoin broke the 11-year trend big times. We got the rejection down. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, I can't get tired of saying, dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm just so freaking pumped about it. We confirmed the breakout here. We got a volume supported bounce. I actually predicted this to be the worst case scenario, and I had completely different indicators to predict that, but this one once again approves it. We got the bounce here, and the most interesting thing, what I always take as the last line of confirmation, as the last most important area of confirmation or confirming a breakout, is a break above the previous rejection point. And this just happened with the all-time high yesterday or today morning. We broke to a new all-time high. And we are confirming the breakout right now. More importantly, even this micro breakout, the previous all-time high was retested and is also now confirmed. This might be not only the most brutal chart for the Bitcoin bears ever in the history of mankind because we broke 11-year resistance. No, it is also projecting a very specific price for Bitcoin. And now let me talk about this, dear ladies and gentlemen, once again. If you are actually taking the previous gains, you can see that not only the hype cycles are getting longer, from here to here it's longer, from here to here it's longer. And now projected based upon the previous development, this should be longer as well. And also we have diminishing returns to scale. With the market cap actually increasing, the returns to scale should be diminishing after time. And this was the case so far. So if we are playing the same ratio of growth to the length length of the bull cycle, and the same time we are applying the diminishing returns to scale, then you can see that in the previous cycle, from the previous triangle breakout, we had approximately a 7,600 to 8,000 8,000% pump for Bitcoin. Then the next cycle, from the breakout to the top, we had approximately a 4,500 one, so approximately a 60% decrease in that. Then this time we should expect an approximately 3,000% pump. This is speculative over a longer time period. And if that were to happen, 2,850 approximately to be exact, then the price target of that would be actually 277,777. Of course, it is speculative. Of course, that's approximate numbers, and we can deviate from that. And it doesn't mean that always, because these laws were applying, that this time it's gonna play out exactly like this. But this is the most accurate thing I have to show to you right now. And this is the highest time frame I actually can base it from. And honestly, no one is looking at that. This is why I'm giving a very, very big shout out to Crypto Mo, who actually spotted this one. And make sure you check him out. My friend, and of course we are here involved in projects ourselves. We are working here from this office together, and this was just a really awesome spot, and I am very, very thrilled about that. I want to know from you, of course, what you think about that. Leave it down below. And of course, obviously, I wanted to give a huge shout out for you for always liking our videos like crazy. They are blowing up, they are going through the roof. So thank you so much for every single like, thank you so much for every single share, for leaving your favorite altcoins down below, of which speaking, I'm gonna talk about them in the next video, Elrond and so on. More of them to come, of course. And obviously, if you want to support us going forward, like the video. Let's crush to 10,000 likes. And obviously, guys, in the pinned comment down below, you will always find the Twitter account of the secret project, of course, of MMCrypto. You will find the Bybit link down below where you can get a big bonus actually yourself for trading these breakouts yourself. Make sure you use it down below. Smash up the like button, and thank you, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And I'm still excited. This was a good one. This chart was a good one. And as always, guys, bye-bye.